welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are wondering why I'm wearing same t-shirt that I wore in the previous video, that's because I'm filming that on the same day. Yes, please don't mind, let's start. In today's video, we are gonna be making macrame earrings. In previous video, we made macrame keychain. If you missed it, go check it out. So, in today's video, we are gonna be making macrame earrings. This is so freaking easy. So let's start. Make sure to hit that like button, share as much as you can, and subscribe and hit that bell icon so whenever I post a video, you'll get notification why I am doing this. But make sure to check it out. Let's start. So for the first DIY, we need 2 earrings hoops, that means a pair, and a thread. I'm gonna use embroidery thread. You can use whatever thread you want. Then we are gonna double it to the appropriate length you want, and then we are gonna tie a knot around the hoop, a simple knot. Then for the rest of the hoop, we are gonna take the end of the thread, put it in the ring and pull it from the other side, something like that. आपको देख के ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझेगा. Just watch and learn. We're gonna do this pattern. Yeah, we're gonna do this design pattern for the rest of the hoop, and yeah, it will be done. Yeah, this is how it looks after it's done. I'm gonna do the second one and see you in a bit. Yes, I also added pearls at the start and the end of the earring so it won't move. And tada, we are done. So for the second DIY, we need 2 hoops and macrame thread. We need 10 thread of 4 to 5 inches and some pearls. So this step depends upon which kind of hoop you are using. So we are gonna add some pearls at the end. हम उसको starting में add करेंगे तो वो end में चले जाएंगे. You'll understand it later. After adding the pearls, we are gonna take the thread, double it and tie a knot around the hoop, something like this. It's a simple knot, but I don't know what we call that. We're gonna do this with the other 4 thread. It means 5 in total. After tying the knot of 5 threads, we are again gonna add the pearls and bend the end. Then we are gonna take a comb and detangle the threads and cut it to the appropriate size or shape you want, something like this. And yeah, we are done with the other one. This is so simple, ये बहुत आसान है, and it looks so freaking pretty. So for the DIY, we need 2 fish hook earrings, 2 jump rings and a macrame thread. That's it. So first we are gonna join the ring and the fish hook together. Then we're gonna add the thread in the fish hook, something like this. Then we're gonna take smaller threads, bend it, and tie a knot. I'll show you in a bit how to tie a knot, क्योंकि ये देख के ज़्यादा आसान होगा जितना मैं बोलूँगी. See, I'm gonna show you with the bigger thread. First we're gonna take a thread, double it, और जो main वाला thread है उसके नीचे रखेंगे. Then again we're gonna take a thread, double it, and we're gonna put that on the main thread, and we're gonna take the end and put it जो हमने पहले उसको नीचे रखा था ना उसके अंदर, and then we're gonna take the ends of that अंदर वाला thread and just watch it and understand, please. I can't explain. It's so simple. Just watch and understand. And yes, after tying the knot, we are gonna detangle the threads with the help of comb and cut it to the appropriate size and the shape you want, and we are done. Yeah, we are done. I hope you like it. Make sure to comment down which one do you like the most, and hit that like button, share as much as you can, and subscribe and hit that bell icon so whenever I post a video you'll get a notification. Bye. See you next Thursday.